So I just got this super cool racing boat at no charge for the purpose of this review. I've already tore it down for you to show you where the batteries go, how to install the batteries, some of the seals that are on this. But first, let's take a look at what's in the box. You get your boat display rack, controller for the boat, takes 4 AA batteries, put into the bottom of it, not included. Owner's manual, lubricating oil, air, propeller, a wrench, a nose guard, 2 batteries. Now these batteries are not fully charged. I'm charging one right now. You can see the red light indicator on there. That means it's charging. When it's done charging, the red light will go out. Take about 110 minutes to charge, so that's almost 2 hours. So you charge these for 2 hours, stick them in your boat, and you get 10 minutes to play with them. So they give you 2 batteries, which is really nice, so that you can at least stay out there for 20, maybe 30 minutes. Now to install your battery,
that's a battery.
You just plug your green to your green, and then you slip it into the back side of your boat. You don't use the white plug because that's where you charge it into your charger, and the charger is provided for you as well. On the boat, I'm going to leave the hood off of it for now, just because I'm going to put a fully charged battery in there when it's done. You've got your boat cover. Super nice. You got 4 locks on here, and you got a seal around the outside edge of that to keep it waterproof. You got a cover for that to give you your boat head, and it just snaps on. Once it's completely put back together with the battery inside, this is how she's going to look. You got your propellers, you got your rudder, you've even got a weep hole so that it doesn't get weighted down with water. It's just going to spray it out itself, just like a regular boat. Now, that's the boat. The controller, you've got your steering wheel for your right, left, and you've also got your trim and your trigger to go and pull it all the way back to go faster. And you've also got your antenna to communicate with your boat. We're going to get these batteries charged up, stick them in the boat, and then we're going to get out there and we're going to have some fun. All right, now that means we're paired. You can only pair by putting the boat in the water, and that red light turns solid. So now we got 9 minutes of fun. Here we go.
It's pulling there to the right, so I'm going to put the trim, correct that a little bit. Now it's going a lot straighter.
Wow, dude. Get it going.
I can't even keep up with it.
Reverse. Reverse not good.
Full speed, all the way up to the dam. That's quite a distance. Okay, so we've got the propeller all gooped up here, and that made it stop turning for us. So we'll get that cleaned up, put her back in the water. There, you can do a little reverse there. Oh, you get the moss out of that propeller and it goes. Good golly, look at that. Keep going.
It doesn't turn nearly as fast in the direction. Oh, that probably has to do with the trim.
All right, so we all got a chance to drive the boat. Had a really good time. We enjoyed it. Four of us got to drive the boat. We only went through 1 battery, so we still have another full battery if we wanted to keep going with that. But good times right there with the RC racing speedboat.